Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you guys how I fix a saggy drawer bottom. So the stuff that you will need is just nails that you have lying around your house. I have purchased these at Walmart. They were like a couple of cents, like 98 cents or something, but you can get cheap nails anywhere. Yeah, so I'm going to use, now these nails are 1 inch by 2 ounce. So you will need like any type of small nails. It really don't matter the size, but make sure it's not too thick, where it cannot fit in the cracks of this dresser drawer. So because that's where we're going to put our nails. We are going to put it inside the crack part of where the bottom of the drawer is secured at. So as you can see, I don't know if you guys can see, but the bottom of my drawer is sagging all the way out, as you can see there. See that? And so even if I put it in the crack part of the drawer, it still comes out. You guys know what I'm talking about. So when I put clothes there, it just breaks off. So what I'm going to do is put the nails on the bottom of the drawer. So I have these small nails. Now make sure your nails are not too long to the point that it's coming out of the drawer, but just enough where it's able to secure and stay. So yeah, so I'm just gonna get some nails. I'm just gonna use 4 nails because these are like really small, which these are good enough for my drawer. So it depends on what type of drawer you have, whatever you feel, whatever size nails you feel that will fit on your drawer. So let's see here. So my bottom drawer, doesn't come completely off because there is some nails that was hammered down here, so I didn't do that. That's how it came when I bought it. So yeah, it just comes off on this side of the drawer. So that's where I'm going to put my nails. Okay, so I'm going to place 4 nails going across here. So I'm going to put one here, 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 and there. And I'm going to try to shove it under. Now you may, if you would like to make sure that they really are secure, that you will use a hammer or a drill, but I highly doubt you will need that. I mean, you may, but I'm just going to show you how I just shove it in there. So what you're going to do is get right under where the crease is, where the drawer bottom goes under. You're just going to shove the nail right up under that line, like this. That's where I put the nail. And then you're just going to place another one here. Okay, and then I'm going to place another one here. Shove it right in the crease part of where your bottom drawer is supposed to be secured at. I mean your drawer bottom part, this part where it's supposed to be secured at, you just shove the nail right up under that, inside that crease. Okay, just like that. So simple, so easy, so quick. If you're able to move the bottom part of your drawer, then I will just push it down a little bit so you're able to shove the nails up under there in the same crease part. And yeah, that's pretty much it. It's sturdy right now. I don't need a drill. I don't need a hammer. It's not going anywhere. So yep, that's pretty much it, guys. There's my nails. I use enough where it is well secure to hold my clothes so it doesn't come off. Nice and secure. I mean, if I would have did this without the nails, it would have easily broken off. But yeah, that is it, guys. And thank you for tuning into this video. And just remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And to comment down below if this idea worked for you. And if you have hammered or drilled your nails in. Like I said, I haven't drilled it. I just shoved it in the line here. That was really simple, really quick. Yeah. And I'm going to do that to the rest of my drawers. And yeah, very quick, very simple. So yeah, guys, thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.